Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the VF display mode on the Canon EOS R50 camera. So the first thing that we're going to do is click on the menu button to open up the settings, and we're going to use these 4 buttons right here to navigate through the menu. So we're going to go to the camera section and then subsection number 3. And then select VF display format, click on set to select it, and then you can select display number 1, display number 2, and as you can see, display number 2 is just the same display but a little smaller. So once you've selected the option that you want, you can just exit out of the menu and it'll be automatically selected. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.